Hello awesome kids!
Hello!
Today we'll learn about summer fruit names and their spellings and little facts about them. So, are you ready? Watermelon. W-A-T-E-R water. M-E-L-O-N melon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N watermelon. Which fruit has plenty of seeds?
Watermelon.
A fruit that is green from outside and red from inside.
Watermelon.
Right. Next fruit is mango. M-A-N G-O go. M-A-N-G-O mango. Name a yellow color fruit.
Mango.
Mango is called
the king of fruits.
Mangoes can be eaten both raw and ripe. Mango is the national fruit of India, Philippines, Haiti and Pakistan. Another yellow colored fruit with plenty of seeds is
Papaya.
P-A-P-A-Y-A papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A papaya. Papaya is the national fruit of Thailand. Papaya can be eaten ripe and can be cooked raw too. Our next fruit is blueberry. B-L-U-E blue. B-E-R-R-Y berry. B-L-U-E-B-E-R-R-Y blueberry. This blue colored fruit is the national fruit of Canada. Now, can you tell me which fruit has eyes on its skin?
Pineapple.
P-I-N-E pine. A-P-P-L-E apple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E pineapple. Pineapple is the national fruit of Antigua and Barbuda. Now, can you tell me which is the largest fruit?
Jackfruit.
J-A-C-K jack. F-R-U-I-T fruit. J-A-C-K-F-R-U-I-T jackfruit. Jackfruit is the national fruit of Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Our next fruit is lychee. L-I-T-C-H-I lychee. Name a fruit which has only one seed.
Lychee.
Lychee is a juicy fruit that is brown from outside and whitish from inside and has only one seed. Our next fruit is lemon. L-E-M-O-N lemon. L-E-M-O-N lemon. Lemon is a
sour fruit.
This juicy and sour fruit is required to make lemonade, sweet lime soda or lemon juice during summer. Our next fruit is muskmelon. M-U-S-K musk. M-E-L-O-N melon. M-U-S-K-M-E-L-O-N muskmelon. This is also known as sweet melon. Now, can you tell me which fruit has plenty of water?
Coconut.
Coconut is the most common summer fruit with lots of water. The spelling is C-O-C-O coco N-U-T nut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T coconut. Now, apart from these 10 fruits, there are plenty other fruits that is available in summer season. Fruits will keep you healthy and hydrated. Don't forget to add a bowl of fruit salad or some fruits in your regular meal, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Bye.